You know, one of my favorite things about life are these creatures right here. These little mushrooms, fungi. They not only are amazing at helping the world stay clean and recycling our nutrients in our soil, but tons of amazing new research is coming out about these things and the healing power of mushrooms. So I want to go ahead and show you some of my favorite ones that we have here, fresh from the farmer's market. The first one here, this beautiful, kind of crazy looking one. It's like feels like you're rubbing your dog or a cat. It's very soft and it's actually fairly dense. This mushroom is known as lion's mane. And this is one of my favorite mushrooms, not only because of how cool it looks, but this thing has so many health benefits. Most mushrooms are really, really healthy for you as far as these edible ones, like the ones I'm going to show you, high in fiber, low in cholesterol, high in protein. They're also packed with vitamins and nutrients, antioxidants, ergothioneine, selenium. These are antioxidants that are going to also be anti-inflammatory, great for after an injury, if you're suffering from rheumatoid arthritis or any kind of inflammatory disease, lupus. These things are great at not only boosting your immune system, giving your body the energy it needs, but also supporting some of these inflammatory cascades and not letting them get out of control. Here, this beautiful pink one is the pink oyster mushroom. This one is highly dynamic. It can be used to cook just about anything. And like I said, it's packed with vitamin D, one of the essential vitamins needed for proper bone health, proper joint health, and a well-functioning nervous system and brain. So this is an amazing living creature that supports the natural processes inside of our own body. The chicken of the woods, right down here. Chicken of the woods, here's a little bit more of my lion's mane. I'm gonna put that right over there. It's called the chicken of the woods because the texture of this thing, when we break it open, it's very much like chicken. It looks like we're eating chicken. The fiber, the stringiness of this is just like eating cooked chicken. You can make these things into anything that you can make chicken out of. So chicken nuggets, you can make chicken nuggets with mushrooms and it tastes just like it and it's healthier for you. These are the yellow oyster mushrooms. Another amazing mushroom, great, packed with flavor, very fresh, picked yesterday, got it at the farmer's market today, and this is gonna be an amazing dinner. So what I'm gonna do now is chop these up, soak them in some garlic, cook them with a little bit of oil and some salt and pepper, and then we're gonna mix them into a nice pasta. So now we're ready to put the mushrooms in. I have some red onion, garlic, and a little bit of olive oil going right over here. It's been cooking for about 3 minutes. We're just gonna put the mushrooms in on top of that. All these are just gonna go in there very nicely, and they're gonna just cook into the onion and garlic for some amazing flavor. Oh, that smells so good. That smells really good. That's a lot of flavor in there. Just mixing around, getting acquainted with each other. Like, oh, hey, what's up, garlic? It's just me and Mr. Basil. And then we got a bunch of mushrooms in town, too, visiting, so they're going to join the party. And it's just a big flavor party right now. It's about to go down. We're also going to add in some Italian seasonings on top. You guys can add in however much you want. Your little heart's desire. We're going to put a little bit of some Himalayan sea salt on top. Some fresh pepper. Oh yeah. And for a lot of these nutrients in here, the pepper, the oils, these things are also going to be like cofactors that go in and help bind to the essential nutrients so that this can actually be more absorbable and ready to be into your body. What I'm gonna add here is a little bit of heavy whipping cream on top. You can use regular milk, whipping cream, oat milk, almond milk, just something, you want something thick, something that's gonna allow to kind of get a little thicker as we stir it up. And then adding in Parmesan on top. That way we can get a nice cheesy aroma and flavoring in there with the mushrooms. And this is going to be an absolutely amazing dinner. So we mix it up. Yeah. We're going to mix it up so that the cream gets nice and thick. And we got our basil mushroom garlic sauce with some extra herbs and tomatoes and onions in there. This is going to be fire. So we're going to leave that on there for a couple of minutes. Let some of the moisture cook out so that the sauce gets nice and thick and juicy. And this is going to be ready to go.